Hi, my name is Chris Chegwin. I look after the wheelchair side of Cyclone, and this involves going out and about around the country, visiting people, either at home in their own environment or in hospitals or specialist spinal units. I look at age, the disability, i.e. the level of injury maybe with spinal injury, to work out what sort of chair would be most suitable for them. And obviously we have to discuss things like budget as well to work out which is probably the best chair for them to go for within their financial constraints. They're all made to measure, so not only making all the dimensions exactly what's required to get them the right posture and seating, but also to make sure that it's the right sort of weight for them, the right specification as well, in that what extras they want, i.e. do they need armrests or not armrests, pushing handles or not pushing handles, what types of wheels. But ultimately the choice of the chair comes down to also what use they're going to use from the chair, get from the chair. Whether they're perhaps using it in and out of a car several times a day, so it's important it's light and will go in easily in and out of the car with them independently, or whether it's a more sedentary seating, perhaps at home, where they need to be sat with perhaps specialist seating to make sure they're sat properly and straight. Yes, when I was first in a chair, all you could get was a big, heavy, 56 pounds NHS issue chrome and steel chair. Over the last 20 or 30 years, material technology has changed. The market has become much more technical. We build aluminium chairs, titanium chairs. We even build carbon fibre chairs now that can be as light as 3 kilos, which gives people then the independence to be able to get in and out of vehicles and get around very much more easily. Often when they're newly injured, they haven't got a clue what they actually need, and it's up to us to give them all the help and advice and learn as much as possible about their situation to build the right product for them.
One of your best-selling chairs now. What's special about this chair, Chris?
That's right, it's the Noir chair. It's made of carbon fibre, very, very light and very strong. In this sort of configuration with the wheels off, it's about just over 3 kilos in weight. Obviously that allows people to have a lot more independence getting in and out of the car. For example, when they pick it up under here, they can easily transfer it over their chest onto the passenger seat of the car without any great weight, and gives them people the independence to move around by themselves. They're all made to measure, and also obviously with carbon fibre it's not a cold material like a metal, which is very useful in the winter. Sitting in a cold metal frame chair is nowhere near as nice as being in a chair like this. Carbon fibre also absorbs the ride quite well as well, so less vibration when you're going across things like brick pavia and so on.
So how does it now all go together?
The backrest just comes up and locks itself automatically,
Right.
and then the wheels are just on centre pins, which can be easily just popped on in a matter of seconds. They just go on as simply as that. And obviously we have the other wheel for the other side. I'll just swap over.
So this is really at the cutting edge of technology, this one?
Most definitely, yes. Yeah. And there you are, ready to go, apart from the cushion.
Fantastic. And this all comes down to the carbon fibre, does it?
That's right. It's Formula One technology or aircraft technology, if you like. It's a very light, very strong material. You can transform people's lives even if they've perhaps been stuck indoors for many years and not had a chair that's given them the freedom to be able to get out and about. Then having a nice new lightweight chair can give them the independence to go to the corner shop by themselves or to get in the car and go somewhere by themselves, rather than depend on others to help them.